Adoma, welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on the Ford, please help me subscribe to my channel, click that bell notification so every time I have new video you guys will be updated. But I'm working on a 2018 Ford EcoSport, the 2.0 liter. So for this one, I'm just showing you guys how to reset the oil light on it. So right now I have the key on. There you go. And then you're gonna press on this button right here with the 3 line. There you go. Press on it, and then you're gonna go down to maintenance. There you go. Then you're gonna go to oil life right there. Hold OK to reset. Reset to 100%. There you go. Turn off the key. Turn it back on. So that's it. Just a oil service reset for this one. If you guys have any question, comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.